I don't
Hello.
know why the connection just ended by itself.
Okay, no problem.
All right. So is it just me and you? I think so, right?
And you joined with Bali Yoga School?
Yes.
Yes,
About on the 16th of
on
this
16th.
month. Mm-hmm.
But when I told you on 26th that today is the last day, why you not told me that our classes started from 16th?
I don't understand. Excuse me?
On 26th, I told you now that today is the last day of the course. On 26th.
Oh, I didn't know. I thought you mean for those ladies.
No, I talk about everyone.
Oh, so that's it. Because the owner here at the school just
Because,
told me
yeah,
that we still have 3 days.
because no information from
I think
our
the,
side that
I think the communication is just a little bit hard. This all I can tell you is that we
no,
knew that we have 3 more days to study, and then the school is gonna be closed for like 4 or 5 days, right? And
yes,
restart on the
4 days
2nd.
or 4 days, yeah, and restart from 2nd. But
Yes.
but I will take class. But I will take class continue.
Okay. All right.
Every day I will take class at this time.
Okay. Perfect. Appreciate you.
And today you are alone. Where is your other partner?
I can try call her. I don't know why she's not online. I'll call her. Just give me 1 second.
Okay.
All right. She's gonna join in a few minutes.
Okay. What's her name?
Oh, my name is Yulia.
No, not your name. Her name.
Gloria.
Gloria.
Yes.
Okay.
She's just a bit more silent. She joins every time, but she's just
Yeah.
not as inquisitive like me.
Okay. So let us begin the class, today's class. Sit in any comfortable position. Spine straight. Adopt Jnana Chin Mudra. Eyes closed. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for 3 times Om followed by opening mantra. Om. 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 Opening mantra, repeat after me. Yogena cittasya padena vacham
Yoga Nipita.
Samache Malaka
Malam sarirasya
Malam tarisira.
chavaidhyakena
Chava.
Shavavam Savena
yopakarottam
Yopa.
Yopa Karipa
Karotam.
pravaram muninam
Pravaram munina.
Murina
patanjalim
Patanjalim.
Patanjali
pranjaliranatosmi.
Pranjala.
Talidyantarami
Om.
Om
Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palms. Apply on your eyes. Slowly and gently, while blinking, open your eyes. Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
So let us begin the class. I will take today's class from starting.
Okay.
Beginning of anatomy and physiology. So,
All right.
you know who is the father of anatomy?
Yes, I used to know at least of medicine, not of anatomy, actually.
Okay. The father of anatomy is Herophilus. Note down. The father of anatomy is Herophilus. Herophilus.
Hero.
Herophilus. Herophilus.
Ero.
Clear?
Yes.
Herophilus is the father of anatomy. He belongs to Alexandria.
Oh, wow. That's where my husband is from.
Oh. Alexandria. 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 And his time duration is 325 BC to 255 BC. 325 BC to 255 BC. Clear?
Yes.
Now our next question is, what is anatomy? Write down. Anatomy is the science. Anatomy is the science that studies the structure of the body. Anatomy is the science that studies the structure of the body and relation of one body part to another body part. Another body part. Anatomy is the science that studies the structure of the body and relation between one body part to another body part. Clear?
Yes.
Means it studies the structure of body and their parts, known as anatomy. And it divided into two parts. There is two branches of anatomy. How many branches?
2 branches.
Two branches. First one is gross anatomy.
Gross.
Yeah, GROSS, gross. Gross anatomy. Lulia ma'am,
Yes.
your video is off and it always off. Why?
My what?
Video.
Oh,
Can-
yeah, I'm right here. I'm just more
Okay.
comfortable. I don't care.
Okay. So what is gross anatomy?
2 branches.
Yeah, first one is gross anatomy.
I would consider maybe like
This
the
one, this.
I don't know, maybe
It's
the outer
structure.
side, the outer.
No, write down. It studies the macroscopic, MACRO, macro, not micro, not micro, macro, MACRO, macro. It studies the macroscopic structure like body, organs, and organ system. It studies macroscopic structure like body, organ, and organ system, which we can see with naked eye. It studies those body parts which we can see with naked eyes, known as gross anatomy. Clear?
Yes.
The second branch of anatomy is histology.
Histology.
Yeah, HISTOLOGY, histology. What is histology? Histology studies the microscopic structure. Microscopic, MICRO. Microscopic, SCOPIC. Microscopic structure. It studies microscopic structures like cells, tissues.
Like what?
Cells, CELLS, cells.
Cells.
Our body cell.
Okay.
Everything made with cell. The cell is the smallest unit of body. You know?
Yes.
Yeah, that is cell. Like cell, tissue. What is tissue?
Tissue.
The combination of cells.
Cells.
The combination of cells is known as tissue. And organelles. ORGANELLES. Organelles.
Organs.
Or not organs. Organelles.
Organelle.
Organelles. ORGANELLES. Organelles is It is the internal structure of cell. Organelles
Oh.
is the internal structure of cell.
Internal what?
Internal structure
Structure.
in cell. So these are microscopic structures. And study of these structures, this type of structure or this type of body parts comes under histology.
Histology.
Lulia ma'am, clear?
Yes.
And from where anatomy comes from? It comes
From this gentleman Herophilus. He's the father of it.
but he is the father of anatomy. But what words related to anatomy? Anatomy root word is ana, A-N-A, and tomia. It made with two words, ana and tomia.
Okay, the etymology. I don't. Okay.
Yeah. It made with, or it comes from two words, ana, A-N-A, and T-O-M-I-A, tomia. Ana means up, U-P. Ana means up, and tomia means cutting, C-U-T-T-I-N-G, cutting.
Cutting.
Up cutting.
Yeah, up cutting. And these two words comes from Greek. These are the Greek words, ana and tomia, Greek word. So traditionally, studies of anatomy have involved cutting up or dissecting organisms. Write down.
Again.
Traditionally, studies of anatomy have involved cutting up, C-U-T-T-I-N-G, cutting up,
Cutting.
yeah, or dissecting organisms. Dissecting, D-I-S-S-E-C-T-I-N-G, dissecting organisms, O-R-G-A-N-I-S-M-S. And there are three broad areas of anatomy. Three broad areas. The first one is human anatomy. Second is animal anatomy. Animal anatomy, also known as zootomy. Z-O-O-T-O-M-Y. Zootomy. Z-O-O-T-O-M-Y. Zootomy. Animal anatomy known as zootomy. And the third one is plant anatomy. P-L-A-N-T. And plant anatomy known as phytotomy. PHY TOTOMY. PHY TOTOMY. Phytotomy.
Anthony. Anthony.
Phytotomy.
Phytotomy.
PHYTOTOMY. Okay. Clear?
Yes.
Next point. Anatomy is a branch of biology and medicine. Anatomy is the branch of biology and medicine. Julia ma'am.
Yes.
In starting of class, you asking something in India. Girls also studying in yoga classes like this.
If I was studying before, you mean?
No, today's class. In today's class when we started, what you asked?
What I asked?
Yeah.
I asked
something
if the other students are in India.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Students in India, there is also girls students in yoga like something.
I'm just not hearing you well, so I wish I could hear you better. I just don't hear you well. Can you repeat that?
You asked in beginning the class that in India yoga classes there is girls students.
Yes. I asked because I was wondering where the ladies from, the ones that were like attending the classes yesterday. I didn't know if the ceremony was for them. In that case,
Yeah,
that means they're in India, right?
Kritanjali man. You talk about Kritanjali.
Yes.
Yeah, Sage
Yes.
Indian. Sage Indian. But she
But she's not in the city there, right?
Yeah, she taken admission online only.
Okay, okay.
So she studies with you.
Okay. But she's not doing the whole yoga class. The class is asana and everything.
Yeah, everything she doing.
Okay, but she's just doing it in her own city.
Yes.
Gotcha.
From her home.
Okay. That's amazing.
Yes.
Lucky.
And you are now in Bali Yoga School?
Yes.
Okay.
Came here for 2 weeks, and unfortunately I have to leave right after. Right after the school is done, I can't enjoy more. I have a lot of work.
When you going?
On the 7th, I think we should graduate, right?
On 7.
November 7.
Okay.
Yeah.
So our next point is, what is yoga anatomy? In order to anatomical perspective, in order to write down, in order to anatomical perspective, ANATOMICAL, anatomical perspective, 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 we need to know the planes of the body. Planes of the body means anterior, posterior, lateral, medial, this type of plane in our body. Yeah, plane means structure. Okay.
Yeah.
We need to know the planes are structure of the body and how moving different body parts. And how moving different body parts means we need to know how the body parts, different body parts move. Such as flexion, extension, and internal and external rotation. You know about flexion and extension?
Sorry?
You know about flexion and extension? Flexion. What is flexion?
Flexing?
Yeah. What is flexing?
Flexing is like pumping up the muscle and
Pumping up
stretching.
muscles. Yeah. Decreasing of angle between two bones.
Okay,
Decreasing of angle between two bones is known as flexion.
decreasing angle.
Angle between two bones. Like I bend my arm. The angle between
So in here,
upper
no,
arm,
in here.
yeah, the angle between upper arm and lower arm decreases. It's known
The
as
angle.
flexion.
Can you excuse me 1 minute? I have to go restroom.
Okay.
1
okay.
minute.
You say the two angles.
Yeah, two angles. Like the angle between upper arm and lower arm. It decreases. This angle decreases.
Mm.
It's known as flexion. It is flexion.
Flexion. Flexion.
Flexion. Flexion.
Flexion.
Yeah. And just wait for Lolia, ma'am.
I'm here.
Yes.
Okay.
Looking for my pen. Okay. I'm sorry. Thank you.
Okay. So Lolia, ma'am understood what is flexion?
Yes. So bending,
Yeah, bending.
decreasing the angle between the two bones.
Two bones. Is
So you can do
flexion.
that on your legs and arms.
Yeah, it happens in this arm means elbow joint, knee joint, wrist joint, fingers, many different parts.
Can you call flexing from if you do a bend?
No, that is not flexion.
Okay.
That is
Yes.
Okay, then.
different. I will teach you. I will teach you about these all the movements
Okay.
at synovial joints. These are the movement at synovial joints. When I teach you the topic joint,
Okay.
that time I will teach you. So, what is yoga anatomy? We learnt about you. What is yoga anatomy? Through anatomical perspective, we know the structure or plane of body, how it moves different body parts such as flexion, extension, and internal and external rotation.
Right.
The next point is, why is anatomy important in yoga? Why is anatomy important in yoga? Write down. It is important for all yoga instructors. It is important for all yoga instructors to understand what is occurring within the body. It is important for all
I'm
yoga
sorry,
instructors.
you're breaking up.
Am I not audible?
Yeah, I heard you until instructors.
Yeah. It is important for all yoga instructors to understand, UNDERSTAND, understand what is occurring within the body. What is occurring within, WITHIN, within the body, to increase the blood flow, to increase the blood flow to each muscle. What is occurring within the body to increase the blood flow to each muscle, and how this will affect the body, and how this will affect the body. Clear? Every yoga instructor should know that what is happening inside the body and how it affects the
Affect
body.
to the body.
Okay, clear?
Clear.
The next point is, what is benefits of yoga anatomy? What is benefits? So write down, when we break down each yoga poses, when we break down each yoga poses by learning the basic anatomy of bones, by learning the basic anatomy of bones. When we break down each yoga poses by learning the basic anatomy of bones, ligaments, and muscles, by learning the basic anatomy of bones, ligaments, and muscles, we are able to analyze, we are able to analyze ANALYZE, analyze why a student can or cannot do a certain yoga posture.
Cannot,
Can or cannot do.
yoga,
Why a student can or cannot do a certain yoga posture, means if one student can do certain yoga posture, we know how he or she can do, and if one student can't do one yoga posture, we know why he or she can't do. That is the benefit of yoga anatomy. By learning yoga anatomy, we can learn this. Why one student can't do this yoga posture, and why one student can do. How one student can't do and how one student can do. Clear?
Yes.
The next point is physiology.
Physiology.
Yeah. Physiology. Physiology. What is physiology?
Physiology.
Yes. Physiology is the science. Physiology is the science that studies functions of our body, functions, functions, functions of our body and body parts. Physiology is the science that studies the functions of
The body
our
parts.
body and the body parts. Clear? Anatomy
Yes.
studies structure, anatomy studies structure, and physiology studies function. Anatomy studies structure of our body and physiology studies function of our body. So anatomy and physiology move together hand to hand, not separately. Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
So enough for today's class. We will move further tomorrow's class.
All right.
Any question?
Mm-mm.
So sit in any comfortable position for closing the class. Spine straight. Adopt Jnana Chin Mudra. Eyes closed. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for one time Om, followed by closing mantra. Om. Closing mantra repeat after me. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah.
Sarve sanhantu sikhinaha.
Sarve santu niramaya.
Sarve santu niharamaya.
Sarve bhadrani pasyantu.
Sarve bhadrani pachantu.
Ma kaschid dukh bhag bhavet.
Ma
Makachya
kaschid
chindadave.
Om.
Shanti.
Shanti, Shanti.
Shanti. Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palms. Apply an eyes. Slowly and gently open your eyes. Om Shanti.
Om
Om
Shanti.
Shanti.
Very good. Repeated the mantra.
This one we know it. The one in the morning we don't know it. Like the
Mhm.
one you said first.
That first yogena chittasya padena vacham.
Wow.
Mhm.
Sure, I'm gonna remember the name.
That is the prayer towards Maharishi Patanjali.
Okay.
Mm.
What is the name?
Patanjali.
Patanjali.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Like the mantra name, Patanjali mantra.
Patanjali. That mantra is the prayer towards Patanjali.
Oh, prayer to Patanjali.
Yeah, prayer to Patanjali.
Mhm.
We pray
Okay.
to Patanjali.
Prayer to Patanjali.
I will teach about the mantra meaning tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. See you
Okay,
tomorrow.
thank you for
Om
joining
Shanti.
this today's class. Om Shanti.
Shanti. Have a good day.
Same to you.